namhlanje isonto ilanga la usanza ngalo ebusuku sathi silala sasithole umyalezo ukuthi Sanza kasekho sasa njengomsomluko thina sasilungiselela ukuthi Sanza kasekho kubhlungu kuyaqaqamba nabenzi bokubi lapho bekhona ngithi uNkulunkulu akenza umusa sekwanele yazi kwanele manje sekwanele senikwenzile kwanele nikwenzile kwanele TV angiyibuki mina angilibuki leli cala ngoba ngazi ngibukani yini engiyibukayo abantu abasendlele bakhuluma iqiniso ngekanyabo abakhuluma iqiniso ngoba khona bangeke bafe boze baphuma impethu basibize bathi sicela ukukhuluma ngoba iqiniso siyalazi labantwana sibabona lapha ngadlala ngabantwana banezinto zabo nabo kodwa akubona abantu abasendlini bayalazi iqiniso abakhuluma abantu abasendlini kwenzekani ngekanyabo akhuluma namhlanje njoba semini manje zasijabulisa ngizoya dethe uzofika wathi ma ngizofika mangiqeda ukudlala ngizofika ekseni wangabe safika sathi silala ebusuku salala uSenzo bemdubulile endlini kukhona abantu khona ingane zifa emahlathini kodwa abantu batholwe kodwa uSenzo ufele endlini abantu bebekhona khona bangabizwa babizwa ngani akabizwa ngani makakheni akabizwa ngani ukheni wayekhona endlini akabizwa ngani uLongethwala wayekhona endlini ingane ikhethi phela emasini amajaji akhona yini ndaba sinikeza ijaji sethola umhlala phansi bayazi abantu phela bayafumbathiswa thina sinamali bayafumbathiswa abantu bayazi bona akwenze kubulungisa lento esiyibuka lapha enkantolo angiyijabuleli mina ngiyithanda kuba ngiyakwazi konke ama ngiyongena ngihayize phakathi enkantolo noma ngangaboshwa kodwa sazi ukuthi ubani obulala ingane yami ithemba likho ukuthi kuzophuma isinqumo esizo lesa ingane lapha zinamacalazo angibuki la dot idrama ngiyazi yanto ngathini.
What is pain, Bazala Bamzito? Pain is seeing an old man or an old woman not getting justice for Umtanabo 110 years back. What is happening to them? Your family is totally wrong. And guys, it is so painful to see Mama Senzo today. Senzo na 10 years or more. Ashonile. But agaboshwa nomuntu one. Agna next icala khona nje livele libele emuva nokuthi phambili. Yes, we know that. I feel like family kaSenzo, a lot of people they feel like uKelly is part of ukushona kaSenzo or unesandla ekushoneni kaSenzo, but ke asithi akusuKelly mabagweje phela labantu ababeke lapho and mama kaSenzo ezinemuzwa lapho she feels like or she knows that labantu abalapha banako kwabo. Yes, banamacala wabo bangabe bayizwe igebengu but akusiba babulala uSenzo. That's what she's saying. Akusibo ababulali baSenzo nabasibo abanesandla ekudluleni kaSenzo. I do understand her makathi abantu bebasendlini babakhuluma iqiniso. I do feel like abantu basendlini yibo abangabe bangabona something bad. I also know ukuthi mawuvelela ingozi sometimes umuntu okenzele ingozi umbonile ne but awusamkhumbuli because of itrauma neshock. Makenza leso sigameko uvela upanic ungasazi nokumkhomba. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. If you go about unkunzi or go about accident or whatever, maybe go chase someone, you will hear at I do not remember even a single thing. Khumbula nje ngiyenza mhlambe ngiza kanje or ngikhumula nje sihleli ukuthi kungena kwayenzakalani I don't remember. Ukuthi umuntu okhona unjani I don't remember. So okubuhlungu nje kulesigameko ukuthi shona umuntu we1 and ikhisa khona ayina like akuveli ukuthi what really happened, who did this. And as asho naye ukuthi bakhona abantu uthola ukuthi kuthiwe ushonela endleleni like for these girls ababathole weekend bazobathola with God grace. I know bazobathola abantu abayenze lento ebuhlungu but kuSenzo akuveli lento e1. I really don't know. I've heard iside la Kelly akhuluma ngengamuzwa usisika Kelly which is uZandile Khumalo akhuluma ngengamuzwa uChikhothalo akhuluma of which I feel like uChikhothalo we are being very unfair because I don't believe ukuthi izenzo zabantwana bethu mele sikube yithi account for them while we're not there. Chiko was not there. I don't know why people that keep on dragging Chiko on this thing, but abanye abantu they are saying Chiko is the one who paid because Chiko is the one who was married that time. Kubo bonke labantu bebalapha endlini so mhlabe they believe ukuthi njengoba icala is drag lidreka just because uChico ubhadalile, which I do not believe it. I feel like if uLongwe bakanesandla kumele sidile noLongwe sihlukane nobaba uChico. Yes, unazi igameko zakhe nento zakhe, but I don't feel like it's fair ukuthi sithi uChico unesandla kuyo yonke lento le while he was not there. Yes, I know ukuthi at the time bekayiproducer kaKheli, but still he was not there. Abantu kumele bakhulume lapha kusifemeli kaKheli kuphela, but also ama-friends kaSenzo who were there. And I've seen i-friend kaSenzo uTumelo abe eboxini, but abantu they choose not to believe even i-statement or i-story sakaTumelo. I really don't know, but I do feel iphini yakaNyibo Senzo. I don't wanna lie. I pray guys ukuthi bathole i-justice for umntanabo. Ubaba kaSenzo sekasondlule emhlabeni akatholanga i-justice for umntanakhe. Ikhaya abantu bayakhula, abantwana bayakhula, abathole i-justice for ubaba, including umntana kaKheli. Uyakhula umntana, she really needs to know what really happened to ubabakhe. Ubani wathatha isandla esasusa ubabakhe emhlabeni, ubani wamenza angabi nobaba, you get. So I feel like the justice system of South Africa, it's bad, guys. It's bad. Because I don't know if icala bamthola umuntu why bangalivali le family move on. 10 years, guys. And yeah, I understand Mama Matt, I'm no longer attending that thing. I don't watch that thing because ikubisele move oba namanxeba angapholi ngapha awutholi justice. Yes, ukushona nomntana, I don't think you'll ever heal from that, but at least you'll learn to live with it. Ungaloku ukhala every day. But Ngibo Sons, I feel like bazokhala every day just because lento isakhulunywa ngayo up until today, lento isavele TV up until today, lento kusathiwa lo yilo every day kuvela evidence entsha, every day kuvela evidence entsha, every day kushintshwa amajaji yile lawyer lilo advocate kuphuma lo kugena lo ile judge le. Yabo ukuthi vele nje intaba ayibonakala ukuthi yaphambili, intaba engathi abayithathi serious South Africa. But ke bazala bami, that is all for now. Please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.